If this is your first time using Body Swaps, you will likely find the PIN code in a welcome email. Otherwise, you can sign into Body Swaps from the website and get the code from there. It's really important that you enter your code because it records your learning and it will send you a digital badge when you complete your training. If you don't see the button for the code when you open up Body Swaps, look in the bottom right hand corner for 9 dots. If you want to leave Body Swaps, make sure you sign out, and the best way of doing that is with the controller on your left hand. Just flip your hand round so your palm is facing upwards and you will see a little sub menu. On that sub menu is 3 horizontal lines. Select that and you'll see the leave module come up.